In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your IKEA credit card. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official online account portal for your IKEA credit card issuer. Once the page loads, click Log In and enter your username and password to access your account. Make sure you're using the correct official portal so your payment is processed securely and your account information stays protected. After signing in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, look for the payment area. Depending on the version of the site or your card issuer's layout, this option may be labeled Make a Payment, Pay Bill, or simply Payments. All of these lead you to the same general place where you can begin the payment process. Next, choose your preferred payment method. In most cases, you'll be able to pay using a linked bank account, an online banking bill payment service, or another payment option offered by the card issuer. Pick the method that works best for you. If you've already used a payment method before, it may already be saved in your account, which can make the process even faster. Once you've selected the payment method, enter your payment details carefully. Choose the account you want to pay from, type in the payment amount, and then select your payment date. Before moving forward, take a moment to review everything on the screen. This is an important step because it helps you catch any mistakes before the payment is submitted, especially if you're trying to pay on a specific day or avoid a late fee. When everything looks correct, click Submit Payment or Confirm Payment. After that, wait for the confirmation screen to appear. This tells you that your payment request has been accepted. Be sure to save the confirmation number for your records. It's a good idea to keep this in case you need to track the payment later or verify when it was made. After submitting, check your account activity to verify the payment. You'll want to confirm that it appears in your payment history and continue monitoring your balance until the payment is fully processed. Some payments may show as pending before they officially post, so don't worry if the balance doesn't update instantly. If you'd like to make future payments easier, you can also set up autopay. Open the autopay section and choose the payment preference that fits your needs, such as the minimum payment due, the full statement balance, or a fixed amount. Then add your bank account details and confirm the automatic payment setup. This can help you stay on schedule and avoid missing a due date.